Hey guys, it's Blake with Y2K. Hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to go check on the Diablo. It is on the lift finally, getting everything worked on. The water pump, alternator, and the AC compressor are all going to be changed, and I've got very good news. We are going to be straight piping. Yes, straight piping the Diablo. I got a LOC exhaust for it, and I've also got a cat delete. So I'm really excited to hear what it's going to sound like. But the first part of this video here, we're going to be just looking at the car, and then I'll be doing a few more series of videos kind of documenting, you know, all the repairs and things like that. And then the exhaust comes in a few days, and then we're gonna do all kinds of videos once that's done. So let's go check out the Diablo. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the sunrise is truly spectacular today here in Destin on the way to the shop. Wow, it's really, really pretty. Just pulled up to Tony's shop. See, there's a 488 Spider over there and an 8092 M3, and then we've got the land of Y2K cars. A lot of cars over here, a lot of cool cars. We're checking the jacking points on this to make sure we do it right. This is like a space-age tube chassis, so you have to be smart when you're putting this on the lift.
Move the light or have the light?
Yeah, you can leave it right there. Alright, so you can kind of see the water pump right there where the belt came off. It's really hard to see. AC compressors to the left, alternators to the right. It's right up there, completely snapped off. Let's see if I can zoom in. Yeah, the pulley's right here. You can see that right up there, just sitting there.
Chilling.
Yep. Tony's gonna get it right now. There we go.
Okay. It's fixed.
It's fixed now, right? You just start driving it again.
Somebody tried to
Re-weld
do a
it?
horrible job welding.
Oh wow.
Maybe they had their eyes closed. But it will have a brand new one now.
Yep. Let's look underneath this thing. I've just never even seen under it before.
It's closed.
It's all closed off.
Like the British cars.
Aerodynamics. It's crazy. And this transmission actually is not a transaxle. It's like a normal car but backwards. So
Oh yeah, I see.
it's different. And then you got the oil pan and differential here. Differential has a little bit of a seep. I was telling Tony about right here. Right there.
That might be the next project.
Yep. One step at a time.
Maybe this one too.
Yeah, right there. So, you know, she's old.
It means it still has oil if it's leaking.
That's what Layla's dad said. That he said that means it has oil. But we're gonna get her fixed up here. This is a Diablo on a lift, something I've never seen before. So we'll get her fixed up, and next video hopefully we'll be driving this thing around again with the straight pipes. Tony's excited for the straight pipe exhaust. So all right, you guys have a good day. We'll see you next time. All right, guys. When I ended the video yesterday, I ended it too soon, so I'm going to extend the ending. The exhaust is here. So I'm going to open this up and then show it to you here in a few seconds. It's Christmas morning. Here it is. The LOC exhaust. This is the last one in stock at LamboStuff.com. Does that mean it's going to be worth more money? I don't know. But it's rare. So I'm happy to be the last person to purchase this brand new. So this is a muffler delete. It saves me about 100 pounds off the back of the car. And we also did the cat converter delete as well. So it's going to be really loud. Can't wait.